and welcome back to my channel. So I am recreating my background for YouTube as well as another area in my space. So here is kind of it's kind of almost there. I had to remove the shelf from here from my lock system from IKEA because I wanted to put a vase with pampas grass right there. And right now my shelf is looking quite bare, to be honest. It's quite bare, quite bare. So here, this is how it looks before. I did have a different setting if you look in my previous videos, which I might include a video. Yeah, so you guys would have seen my background in the previous videos. That's how it previously looked before, but now I'm transitioning into like minimalist type of background vibe. I'm loving the earthy. So I did pick up this donut vase from H&M, and I also got some pampas grass to go into it, but I'm gonna go outside and spray it with some hairspray so that it doesn't shed, just to so I picked up this dragon, what's it, dragon design sarcophagus storage, like wooden storage of IKEA. So I'm gonna be using this to store like my camera and my some little knickknacks in. Okay, so this is how it looks. Should be 2 in there. Ugh. Oh my gosh, why can't I? That was a bit hard to open, and comes with 2 compartments like I was saying. So it has another compartment in here, and I technically bought what I wanted this one. Oh, I thought this would have been deeper. I wanted this to put one to put my camera in and one to put my, what's it called, my miscellaneous stuff in, I should say. So how this can actually work is you can actually put it on top like that, or you can turn it over like that for storage. It's quite cute. Okay, so you'll be